All princes start as frogs, and all gentlemen as dogs. Just wait till it's plain to see what we're growing up to be. Cause some frogs will still be frogs, and some dogs will still be dogs. But some boys can become men, just don't kiss us till then.
You hate men, is what you say, and I understand how you feel that way. All girls dream of a fairy tale, but what you've got is like a used car salesman trying to conceal what's wrong behind a smile and a song. And I'm not saying that boys are not like that, but I think you should know that some of us will grow. Because all princes start as frogs, and all gentlemen as dogs. Just wait till it's plain to see what we're growing up to be. Some frogs will still be frogs, and some dogs will still be dogs. But some boys can become men, just don't kiss us till then. What you say, and we all want you to feel that way. The frog you've got seems cute enough to kiss, and maybe frogs seem like that's all there is. But just because you haven't found your prince yet doesn't mean you're